worth it. That's all I got.
What about these sticks?
I'm coming back. They have these handy dandy sticks they leave all along the trailhead right here. So you can grab them when you come down. Highly recommend picking one up. You'll probably need it. Kyle's got mud all over his backside, didn't use his stick properly. Alright, so it's definitely a little wet and a little muddy.
Not bad.
But true test.
As the rain picks up again. Hurry! Oh, that's pretty good. Second day, still hiking, but also still raining.
We're making it work. We're going for it. We're gonna enjoy the best of our time. Make the best of our time.
And it looks like it'll be a fun, slightly muddy hike, but it'll keep us a little drier than some of the others since there's no huge creek crossings or anything and it's out on the ridge, so we'll see how it goes. This is called Sleeping Giant Trail, and you can kind of see the face out there just a little bit. Here's like the head and the nose, and then kind of body goes down where we've been hiking. But again, there's a couple waterfalls on there. It's pretty sweet right now. Still lots of rain. About a little over halfway.
The waterfall. Am I pointing to it?
I think so.
You can see it coming down.
Probably not normally there, but it's been raining for what feels like 7 years. So you can also see the ocean and our hotels out there somewhere too. So pretty nice so far. Not too bad, surviving the rain.
Very wet.
Finally got some sunshine and we made it to the beach. It was only $4 too. $4 in Austin, you get probably half this. So. Also, it's delicious because I've already been eating Rebecca.
So
Perfect.
good, so good. We're finally hiking and it's finally clear.
2 drives of 1.5 hours to Waimea Canyon, back and forth, and it's cleared up. Not only is it not raining, but fog has died down. So we're on the Pihea Vista Trail. Supposedly this is one of the wettest spots on Earth, and based on our 3 days here, it's pretty accurate. So hoping to see some good views here, and we'll see what goes on. Rebecca's nervous because there's this danger sign and the gate's locked. But we saw some people walk this other way.
It says no trespassing.
We saw them walk through this little spot, and you don't even have to go through the gate. So
we're
I think we'll check it out.
technically trespassing. We're just walking around the fence.
She's acting like she didn't see the sign, even though we both saw it. But this looks like a good path. Rebecca uses the tightrope style of hiking. Hands flailing like Wacky Inflatable Arm Man.
Down below you'll see what's known as my bath, formerly known as Queen's Bath. Looking a little rough right now.
Yep. Apparently sometimes you can swim in here. I don't think I'd ever get in here, and basically everything advises you not to get in here despite the tide. There's some sign back there that talked about a certain number of deaths that they've already had here, so I wouldn't do it. We're hiking the Makaleha Trail, which is about 6 miles round trip, and one of the harder hikes in terms of it's very difficult to navigate, but so far so good. We got a little bit of advice from somebody who just finished, and it's awesome.
So in the background of all of our videos, you can probably hear roosters because there are so many on this island. Apparently they got let out when there was some hurricane, and now they just overpopulated and they're literally everywhere.
I think you